The function f is defined by the given equation. For what value of x does f of x reach its minimum? Again, always start off by asking yourself what are you given so you can figure out what concept this is about. This is a quadratic function given to us in vertex form. So if you're looking for the minimum, you're looking for the vertex of that quadratic. Remember, to find the vertex, if the equation is in vertex form, it's very easy. -7, 4 is the vertex. And if you're wondering how we got that, simply change the sign of this guy and keep this sign right here. This is known as the h value. This is known as a k value. So for what value of x do we reach the minimum? -7. Simple as that. If you forget that, simply graph this in Desmos and find the vertex. Figure out what x value the vertex has. That's it.